Hello everyone, my name is Gisto. Today we are repair electric stuff, and the electric stove, the model is the Frigidaire. What is the issue of the electric stove? So let's just see about it to check the issue. So we turn on the switch. This is burner. So we just turn it on. The light is on, but we can feel any heat from the burner. But we check the another one, this one for that, it have a heat. And the another one, this one, we can feel the heat. And this burner, we can feel the heat too. So it's to say this burner, there's some issue about it, and the light is on, but there's no heat on the burner. So we unscrew the top panel. So we just open the top panel. We can see the burner. This burner, there's some issue about it and no heat. So we check, is there any issue with the wiring? Okay. So we can see the wiring here. Oh yeah, it's loosened. The wire to the connector, the terminal of the burner, the connection is broken. So we use the multimeter to measure the resistor of the burner to check if the burner is broken. Now we use the multimeter to measure the resistor of the burner. So we just put the flow on these two terminals of the burner. We check it. We see the resistance is 21.50. Is normal. So we found the burner con is normal, but we found there's some issue of the wiring, the connection. There's some issue of the connection here is broken. So we just dismantle the shell of the burner. So we just connect it. So dismantle the burner. So we just see the terminal of the burner here. This wire, there's some issue about it. It's broken, the connector. So now we want to change this one. So now we make a terminal connector and to make it to the terminal to connect it now. So to check it with the multimeter is the resistance is correct. So now we just turn on the power, so to check it if they work. So we turn on to be the highest, so we can feel the heat. Okay. So now we turn on the light, we turn on the power and to test it. The light is on, so we can feel the burner is hot. So there is the filter. Okay, all is done. So the issue of the electronic stuff is no power into the burner because of the wire is broken. So now it's fixed now. So that's it for today.